Hey guys, Algorand up 15% only in the past 24 hours. The price is 2.3 at the moment, and I told you in my video which I published 6th of September a few days ago, and I told you that I'm buying into Algorand. I told you why when the price was $1.3, and now in this video I will be taking a quick look at the Algorand, and I will tell you if we have still potential on Algorand to the upside, so you don't want to miss this one. Stay tuned. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Dr. Crypto is hosting you. I'm back with Algorand again, with Algo, which is actually been crazy in the past days. Even when the market was crashing, Algorand was staying on the top of the market. We'll be taking a look at Algorand. I will check the charts with you, because I think most of us these days in the crazy alt season, we are very much interested to see what's happening with the price, right? So you want to stay with me in this video. And guys, before we jump into it, please make sure that you show some love to the channel. If you're special in the Algorand community, if you believe in Algorand, smash the like button, and please subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, so this time and for the future you're not gonna be missing any of these sensitive important videos that I'm posting daily. If you followed my channel, I'm posting videos about trading, about the price of Bitcoin. I'm posting video about the altcoin which are famous. Sometimes I'm posting about altcoin gems, and this is an all-inclusive channel. I'm trying to build a community which we actually cover everything here together fairly, and we will actually succeed on our investments, on our tradings, and we will go with the market to make some nice gains. Now let's waste no more time. Let's jump into Algorand, right? So Algorand, maybe some of you who are watching this video new to Algorand, yeah, maybe before you know about the price, you want to know what Algorand is and what Algorand wants to do. Basically, Algorand, let me tell you a quick recap. I mean, Algorand is an Ethereum-like project. By Ethereum-like project, of course, I don't use the phrase Ethereum killer anymore, as it's already expired. It was in 2017. But let's talk about Ethereum-like project. What is Ethereum-like project? Actually, Ethereum-like project is project new to the space, similar to the Ethereum they want to perform, but they are, because after years problems with Ethereum is recognized at the moment, so this project, they are aiming to solve the issues, which is mainly based on the cost of the transaction and the time of the transaction. If you are actually trading or buying something, you know that Ethereum is quite expensive these days and also slow. The London fork is actually came to solve these problems. I mean, if you ask Ethereum maxis, they are telling you we are still far from that day that the fork will solve the problem. I'm not saying that they are here to kill Ethereum. I'm believing in Ethereum. That's the real king of the market. Let's agree on that. But we also looking for new project out there which are legit, which are actually ready to stay on the top. We have a lot of them. Of course, if you take a look, it's very interesting that by the last 24 hours, the only project which were actually, they were going high crazily, they were the same project in the same category. Not if you were not enough in the space, I can tell you this space, this cryptocurrency market is actually sometimes well organized. When the tokens are going up, they go up. The tokens that they are in the same category. For example, look at Algorand. I made a video yesterday about Algorand. I told you the price, the target of Algorand, everything. You can go and watch it. That video actually was exploding. And of course, Tron is one of the old one, got some nice gain, but the rest are the new one. Cosmos, Algorand itself, with the, I mean, almost 16% up to the up to the up, and Kusama parachain to Polkadot, the same thing. Avalanche, Polkadot, they're all in the top gainers of the past 24 hours. That has a reasoning behind. You cannot make things up. They have reason. The reason they are in the same category, and this is now their turn after Ethereum what was going like crazily to the upside. Now is their turn, the same project as Ethereum in the space, to gain value and have some price appreciation. Now, do I have only Algorand? No, I'm actually holding many of these. Of course, the ratio is different depending on how much I believe in the particular project. As I told you, project matters, team behind it matters, partnership matters, and when it comes to this project, actually the functionality matters, okay? If the smart contracts are working on them, if the developer already chosen them to work on them, to build on them, this project, if you want to know what Algorand, for example, is, and its other colleagues, they are actually platform for the apps to make apps on them, okay? So they basically want to do something. Are they different at some point? Of course they are. Do we really understand what are the differences? It's hard for us to understand because we are not developer, we're not programmer, whatever, but we leave that to the developer. But so far what we see, they were appreciated in the price so much. That means the smart money, they were buying into them. That means they are believing in their future. So that's the otherwise there are probably million of projects, until though I don't know how many pages are in the coin market cap, but these ones already on the top, they actually convinced the smart money to come and get into them. And I can tell you, actually Algorand has a very strong team behind it. If you want to read, the main purpose of this video is price wise, but if you want to actually know more about the Algorand, if you don't have so much of time, the coin market cap, for example, has a very short summary about Algorand. The CEO is professor of computer science at the Massachusetts Institute. You can see there are educated people, professional people backing Algorand, and that's a good news for us, that we can feel that these people, they know what you're doing, they know what they're doing, okay? That's a good thing. Other than that, of course, they are fast, they are cheap, and all this stuff. Most of them are in this way, but they are, we see they are succeeding together. This is the proof of it. This is the proof of it, that we see all of them are up. All of them are up. Around Cosmos, Algorand, and I like all of them, but Algorand is special, and it has, I can tell you, let me be honest with you guys, Algorand probably has the strongest community behind it. We have a lot of groups full of people in the Telegram, in the Twitter. They are supporting Algorand. When you want to buy to in a project matters, team matter, all these things matter, but the community in cryptocurrency or blockchain or whatever you name it is on the top. That means how many people are already believing in this project and how much hype's coming around the particular project. So we want to be involved in this project. We don't want to go to a quiet, silent project that there are not so many talk about it, right? I think you understand what I say. So I will be jumping into the charts without wasting any more time, and I will see what's next. What are the potentials? So Algorand, Algo against BTC, that's what matters for me. If you follow me, if you are subscribed to the channel, then guys, you know that I care about the pair of the particular altcoin that I'm looking with BTC, right? Because USDT, of course, is nice to look at, but we are in the Bitcoin market, let's say, and as much as more Bitcoin comes to particular altcoin project, they buy from the using their Bitcoin to buy into the project, then we have the real price surge to the upside. Otherwise, 2%, 5% up and down in cryptocurrency really doesn't matter much. Now, I want to make it smaller. Now, the difference between Algorand, right? This is in daily. The difference between Algorand and, for example, another project like AVAX I recently covered is that Algorand is just in the bottom. It didn't break its all-time high. That, oh my goodness, if it's there to break the all-time high, then oh my god, the sky is the limit. Guys, Quick disclaimer, I have to give you, nothing in this video should be taken as a financial advice, okay? Don't get excited with watching this or watching any other YouTuber talking about some project. Don't come do all in one of these projects or some of them, because it is your money. You have to do your own research wisely when it comes to investing, trading and everything. You have to make your own mind. You shouldn't get excited. This is your money that you worked hard for it, you earned it, and you have to be smart. You have to enter smartly. Of course, I'm not telling you that just come in and buy into the Algorand. No way. You have to be patient. Of course, I'm sharing the ideas that I have friendly with you, and I would love to hear from in the comment down below what you think about Algorand. And if you're Algorand believer, do not forget to smash the like button, okay? Let's make this video viral. It helps the community, right? You understand that. And of course, because I'm covering Algorand for the second time on my channel, this is the only coin I'm covering for the second time because I believe in it, just like you do. Subscribe to the channel and show some love to the channel. This is pretty much new channel, roughly 15 days old, but I'm so glad that we are actually getting 100 subscribers. Maybe that's not too much if you compare it with other cryptocurrency channel out there, but for 15 days of activity, I'm so happy with it, and we are only going up. We're gonna make the best community, and it will be my pleasure that you will be in a part of it. So guys, I've been talking about a lot of projects that already they broke it all-time high, and I think that's also good to buy into those because the sky is only the limit. Now, about the Algorand, what I think it's in the bottom. Look at this, I mean the pattern. Look at this, okay? This is a pattern, but as when I looking trading wise, we have a lot of patterns that they are coming, finding some bottom for a long time. This is daily, these are all daily candles, right? And then they start going upside. Now I'm saying, is it the time with this one to go all the way up? Absolutely not. But could it be the possibility? Absolutely, definitely yes. But now we have to be careful that we had also in the history some kind of a fake out. Was here, was kind of, I'm sorry, was kind of here, was here, was here, was here, was a little bit small ones here, and now this could be also fake out. We have to consider that. But why I'm so excited, because we are now seeing finally a real alt season coming to us. And then in this case guys, it might be that we don't see any further fake out, and it could be the real time to get in and make some nice gain. Of course, not a financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not certified for that or anything. I'm just like you. I'm trying to share ideas with you, and I expect the same from your side. By the way, now in my previous video, I put a little bit of imaginary trend line down here. I was waiting for it to be broken. If this is to a small fine market, but you see how beautifully it got broken, and even the retest wasn't all the way back down into it. That shows me that there are a lot of money coming into the Algorand. That's nice. But where could be the next potential target that we are looking at, right? Well, to be honest with you guys, we have a little bit of confluence here, and it's totally expected. I can put a box here in here for you, and that's why we have this kind of a retracement and also sideways moves in here, because we had some kind of conflict in the history in these areas. We can a little bit short it. If we actually maybe break above this area, then the next area will be here, and this is against Bitcoin, guys. If Bitcoin follows to the Algorand, then the price will move a lot, could be moved by $1 at least to the upside if we are there to actually break it to the upside. Now, what I want to say, I actually a little bit in advance I'm talking, because it's better to wait and see, and for me to be able to give some kind of a real price estimate for the future, then actually it's easier to give it after we broke the all-time high. But let's put the fib retracement. It's not that easy now to understand, but from the swing low, let's put it kind of to swing from swing high to swing low, which is right kind of here. Now you look at this. I mean, to be honest, I have to adjust it a little bit better with the swing high fib retracement. Here we go. Here is the swing high, and here is the, oh my goodness, what is this? And here is the swing low. Where is it now? Right here. Okay guys, now what I want to tell you in here is that we are in this red zone, which we can, for the future, it could be the bottom that everybody had the opportunity to buy in. Now the next one will be this level to watch. This level is actually 0.408. Yeah, let me actually to calculate uh, how much the price will be if we consider 50,000 Bitcoin on that time, roughly, approximately. Then we multiply it by this level, which is actually 0.00040, I see there, 85, right? Then the price will be 4.25 US dollar. Guys, this is huge. This is the first level to watch. Oh my goodness, that's why I bought into the Algorand, because if I'm lucky, or if you bought also, if you're lucky, if we are lucky together, and we managed to come until here, first of all, we are kind of safe. That we bought, for example, I bought 1.3, you bought I don't know how much, and whatever, if you bought cheaper, good for you. Then if we actually reach the level, if we start breaking up and retest all this line in the fib retracement, guys, I don't know, I wish that will happen. That would be amazing. That would be great for all of us as investor in Algorand. Look at it, some solid, for example, when we are in the $4, then here that something, if we are there to go all the way finally up and hit these targets, which was the previous all-time high in the history, guys, I will calculate the price with you, and I think we will be shocked together. Now 0.303 times, if the price of Bitcoin could be on that time 20,000, 50,000, 100,000, 200,000, we don't know, but if the price of Bitcoin roughly will be about $50,000 on that time, then the price of Algorand is not so much. I mean, even it's $15. It is $15 in crypto market. I mean, these kind of prices are not that crazy. These kind of gains are not that crazy, as I mean, to the downside is not crazy. When the market is crashing 90%, I mean, in the crypto market, it's kind of expected. So 90% to the upside also is expected, whatever. So $15 is the price that I could calculate at this level, right? This is based on that if the Bitcoin price on that time will be around approximately 50,000, as much as it's higher, then of course the price of the Algorand also will be higher. I think I have to recalculate this again, because I think 50,000, I believe it should be more. 0.3 zeros and 30, 0.3 zeros, 30. Last time I put 30 actually. Now I put it 34, which is the actual number I see there. It's $17. So $2 more. So $17 per Algorand. Is it too expensive? If I see one day Algorand is $17, not really. Not really. I mean, we are at the moment 2 and something, and we are just actually, to my belief, starting the all season. Guys, this is my price. This is my ultimate price. Of course, a dream comes true. It could always get rejection in here, plunge to the bear market, or in here, or in here, or in here. In some of these lines, of course, nothing is confirmed. These are just some trading aspect of the story, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen. You're gonna let me know in the comment down below if you believe we hit some of these targets. Give me your price prediction for Algorand and let me know if it's a good time to buy, if it's a good time to sell, what you do with your Algo bag if you have any. Let me know in the comment down below, and if you agree with me, smash the like button. I really enjoy to have some communication with you. That's why I'm trying to make the community that we can all talk together, and that dream will come true sooner or later. Guys, let's make it no longer. That was all I got about Algorand. Not a financial advice. Always do your research. I have to say it a couple of times. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so we'll be in touch all the time. And with all that being said, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Be blessed. Doctor out.